let me walk you through the mess that I have. My accessories is a bit of a mess. I haven't figured out what I want to do with my glasses, and there's just some decluttering to do up there. Then I have this underutilized space, which I thought I was gonna put my scarf and my belt, and as you can see, I still have like masking tape.
You can't see it, you're not gonna use it. So, like, can you tell me what's in this box? Other than it's from a man. I would recommend keep your jewelry on the colors.
Well, the thing is, once everything is neat like this, I think I won't wear it.
So I don't really recommend always for people to be buying stuff to organize their stuff. Just fit all your belts in here. And bigger belts, you can go in the bigger slots. So yeah, if you have a big box and many small boxes, instead of stacking it and taking up space like this, try and stack them within the bigger box.